Hello? Hello? Hello YouTube, my name is Jamay and I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect Bantu knot out. I first shampooed and conditioned my hair, then I sectioned it into 4 and began to blow dry. Make sure you at least apply a leave-in and a heat protectant, please, before blow drying your hair in order to protect your hair. As you can see, I already started on the back, but don't worry, I'm going to show you just how to do it. I got you, okay? The parting does not have to be perfect because they're not going to be seen. So I just use my fingers to freely part medium to small sections all over my head. Meaning I just grabbed what felt to be somewhere in between medium and small, keeping in mind where I wanted my curls to lay. Make sure your hair is detangled, and then you want to twist down in the direction. I'm going to show you. Hold on. Let me detangle. Yada, yada, yada. Comb. Okay. So now you twist down in the direction you want your curls to go, and then twist the hair around itself, like so. Twist. Around. Boom. See? And then it's going to form the center of the knot. Now, don't start off too tight, because the knot gets tighter as you go along. So continue twisting your hair around itself, but make sure you're going under each ripple the knot forms as you're twisting around, while at the same time smoothing and twisting down the rest of your hair that's not in the knot, and then tuck those ends into the knot. It'll just twist around. I like to secure my hair with the rubber band because it's way more comfortable than a bobby pin. Trust me. And I hope it wasn't too confusing, but I'm just going to speed it up and stop talking so you can watch it a couple more times and hopefully you'll be an expert. Hopefully I explained it right. Okay, now that I'm done with the knots, I put my bonnet on and head to bed. This is the next morning. I slept so good. I have about 20 to 25 Bantu knots in my head, so I'm going to rub some oil on my hands and begin the takedown. It's super simple, you guys. Remove the rubber band and untwist the whole knot in the opposite direction you wrapped it in, and the knot will naturally unravel. I separated each Bantu knot once or twice to reduce as much frizz as I can. I simply just twirl the hair around my fingers and separate where it naturally comes apart. And then I continue to do that for my whole head. Alright, so I wanted a little bit more hang time. So to stretch my hair, I'm going to use a scrunchie and gather all my hair to the top of my head and pineapple it. While I'm waiting for my hair to stretch, I'm just going to do my makeup for the day and come back. And I'm back. Miss me? Let's take that scrunchie down and shake out our hair as much as we can and use your hands to fluff the rest. I applied some more oil on my hands and I'm just going to fix up the side part just a bit and then separate the curls I might have missed. Now I'm just doing my baby hairs and then I'm going to tie a scarf around it to lay them down. So it's impossible to have no frizz at all, but what I do like to do to take some of the frizz away is put oil on my fingers and then twirl a curl around my finger in the direction you twisted it in to just smooth down some of that frizz. So that's what you're seeing me do now. After a couple minutes, I take the scarf off and we're done. This was so much fun, you guys. Thank you for watching my very first video. I have way more videos to come, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!